So this is my 2020 Audi S6. Got some 22-inch KCRN wheels, two-piece on some, we have 265, 35, 22s. I'm gonna go back to the 21s though, because the 22s are fucking heavy as shit. Carbon fiber mirrors, Carbell rear spoiler, Carbell rear diffuser, AWE full track exhaust. Yeah, boy, big boy shit. Let's see, 3 inches, baby. That's what she said. Got the race line stud conversion on it, because fuck wheel bolts, they suck ass. Clean ass interior like always. Well, yeah, so I got in a wreck a while ago. Somebody hit me, so I had the BSK R6 Sport front bumper put on, and the guy did a really shitty job. So like, fucked up my paint there, fucked up my hood on my paint. But yeah, custom emblems by Plategram. Let's see, go APR intake, FF exhaust, catalyst downpipes. Need that high pressure fuel pump. DME tuning stage 2. So much stuff through this car. Hopefully fuel pumps, high pressure, low pressure done soon. Bigger injectors, bigger turbos, you know, normal shit. Give you guys a cold start real quick. Loud as fuck. Someone wants to go for a ride. Zeke loves car rides. See a fruit res back here. More coming soon, maybe.